Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to create new bookmark folder in Chrome. For that, make sure you open your Google Chrome. Now at the first, you need to click at this three dot at the top right. And here you can see these options, bookmarks and list. You need to click over there. And here simply click on Bookmark Manager. Now before creating bookmark, you need to have the URL of the link that you want to enter or the application that you want to put in your new bookmark. So for that, you need to open new web browser, and here you need to choose the URL of the application that you want to put in your bookmark. For example, I am going for YouTube. Now what you have to do is you need to simply go at the top and copy this URL. Now go back to this bookmark page, and here you need to click in this three dot line, and here simply click on add new bookmark. Now here firstly you need to create yourself for your bookmark. You can create any according to your preference. After that, here you need to simply paste the URL that you copied earlier. Now simply click on save. And now here you can see that the bookmark has been formed. And here if you enter, then you will be directly lead to your YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.